Good morning. I am Devin SS Kangaroo in Fundamental of Agronomy, first sem. Today we will discuss soil, plant, water relationship. It is a very important topic. Availability of soil moisture, यानी जो soil के अंदर moisture की availability है, its uptake by plants, its translocation through the plants, its evaporation into the atmosphere, are various steps in the transfer of water through the soil plant atmosphere system. यानी soil में जो moisture है उसमें से कितना plant ने uptake किया और कितना ट्रांसलोकेशन हुआ और कितना प्लांट ने एब्जॉर्ब किया और इवोपोरेशन के थ्रू लॉस कितना हुआ जो एटमॉस्फेयर में गया, इस सारे को सॉइल प्लांट एटमॉस्फेयर सिस्टम कहते हैं। वाटर इन द सॉइल प्लांट एटमॉस्फेयर सिस्टम, इसके चार फैक्टर्स हैं। पहला है सॉइल मॉइस्चर, दूसरा है प्लांट अपटेक, तीसरा है ट्रांसलोकेशन, चौथा इवोपो ट्रांसपिरेशन। फर्स्ट सॉइल मॉइस्चर के अंदर इनफिल्ट्रेशन, यानी बरसात होने के बाद में जो पानी नीचे जाता है उसको इनफिल्ट्रेशन कहते हैं। रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूशन दूसरा है इसका, तीसरा विड्रॉल। ये सॉइल मॉइस्चर के तीन है, बस इनफिल्ट्रेशन, रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और विड्रॉल। दूसरा आपने प्लांट अपटेक, इसका है पैसिव एब्जॉर्प्शन, एक्टिव एब्जॉर्प्शन, एरियल एब्जॉर्प्शन। ट्रांसलोकेशन में अकेला ही है ट्रांसलोकेशन, और इवोपोरेशन जो एक्स्ट्रा मॉइस्चर होता है प्लांट एब्जॉर्ब कर लेती है तो लीफ उसको इवोपोरेट कर देती है। वाटर मूवमेंट इन द सॉइल, वाटर मूवमेंट इन द सॉइल comprises of three phases. First, infiltration, second, redistribution, and third, withdrawal. Immediately after application of irrigation, receipts of rain, water enters into the soil. It gradually redistributed into different layers. Water moves from higher potential to lower potential. The movement may be lateral, upward, or downward, depending on difference in water potential in different parts of the soil. Water moves through unsaturated dry soil as a vapor as a result of temperature differences and the movements in the warm or cold areas. Soil air is always saturated with water vapor except in the uppermost half to 1 centimeter layer of soil or under extreme dry conditions below a depth of 5 to 10 centimeter. यानी टॉप सरफेस से लेके उसके 5 से 10 सेंटीमीटर की डेप्थ के ऊपर जो होता है तो वो एक्सट्रीमली ड्राई कंडीशन में 5 से 10 सेंटीमीटर होती है। द वेपर प्रेशर इज जनरली ग्रेटर देन दैट ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर। एटमॉस्फेयर का जो प्रेशर है उससे वेपर प्रेशर ज्यादा होता है। नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ, ड्यूरिंग द डे solar energy is absorbed by the shallow layer of soil which become warmer than the atmosphere above the underlying soil surface. As a result, water vapors moves upward from the surface layers into the soil, atmosphere and downward into the cooler layers where it condenses during night. The opposite movement occurs in the soil. Water vapors are condenses near the soil surface. Movement of water within the soil influences water supply to the roots and also contributes the underground water table. Water movement in the soil occurs in three distinct ways. First, saturated flow. Second, unsaturated flow. Third, vapor movement. So first we discuss saturated flow. In simple terms, water is liquid form flows through the water filled micropores under the influence of gravity in thin films surrounding soil particles under the influence of the surface tension and as a water vapor through air-filled pore spaces under the influence of vapor pressure. Saturated flow occurs when all pores are filled with water either due to rain or irrigation under waterlogged situation. The flow of liquid water is due to a gradient in metric potential from one region to another. The direction of flow is from higher potential to lower potential. The major force is driving water is saturated soil in gravity and naturally the major direction is downward movement. Lateral movement also occurs mainly due to metric potential. The rate of movement depends on the hydraulic conductivity, which is a measure of each with which move in the soil. Second, unsaturated flow. Unsaturated flow immediately after irrigation or rain, saturated flow occurs and water enters into the different layer of soil. The subsequent water flow in the soil is unsaturated as the microspores are emitted. The unsaturated movement is in microspores. The major driving forces is metric potential and the direction is higher to lower potential. When roots deplete soil moisture, it is rapidly replenished by water movement from high potential. The rate of replenishment depends on hydraulic conductivity of soil. Plants are subjected to moisture stress when rate of replenishment is less than that. The rate of absorption hydraulic conductivity is higher in heavy soils under low water potential. Compared to sandy soils, unsaturated flow is more important than from production of point of view. अनसेचुरेटेड फ्लो होगा जब भी क्रॉप उस पानी को एब्जॉर्ब करेगी और उसकी ग्रोथ अच्छी होगी और ये क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी अनसेचुरेटेड जो फ्लो है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. थर्ड, वेपर मूवमेंट. व्हेन soil becomes dry, water from micropores is also emitted and water is mainly present in the form of water vapors. Water vapors moves from one zone to another zone due to vapor pressure gradient, that is from higher vapor pressure or to low vapor pressure area. Temperature influence water vapors movement. Water vapor movement, higher temperature regions to cooler regions, the amount of water supplied through vapor movement to plant is very small, but it is important for survival of plants under severe drought conditions. Yes.